Hi, I'm Brady Saroff, co-founder of Ed3 DAO, calling in from Mexico City, where I'm keynoting about Web3 and education at a global education conference.
And I'm Mike Peck. I'm also co-founder at Ed3 DAO, calling in from Pennsylvania here in the comfort of my spare bedroom.
Ed3 DAO is the first decentralized organization for educators by educators. We aim to catalyze innovation in education at scale using Web3.
A DAO, or decentralized autonomous organization, is like a cooperative that uses blockchain, which is a new technology for decentralized data verification to automate governance processes and treasury management. In other words, our nonprofit DAO is set up to be transparent, efficient, and empowering to all of its members.
So we're building the DAO in 3 phases. The first one is teaching educators about Web3. Web3 is a new era of the internet that allows users to own their own data and build relationships using remote metaverse environments. We believe Web3 has the tools and principles to move education toward human-centered learning, which includes personalization, unbundled learning, global learning, immersive learning, and regenerative learning. Our first phase launches 2 major products. Our micro-credentialing program provides hands-on education about different topics in Web3, including blockchain, decentralized finance, metaverse, NFTs, all contextualized for education and taught by educators. Participants receive a verified credential on blockchain through a universal learning wallet. During this first phase, we're also hosting our first annual Web3 and Education Conference, where we bring industry leaders together to talk about the use cases and obstacles for Web3 and education.
Our second phase is acceleration. We're building an incubator for educators, which is our third product, so that after they learn about Web3, they can use principles like decentralization, self-sovereign identity, and immersive learning in metaverse spaces to solve for problems in education. For example, if an educator is tired of the bureaucracy of their school system, perhaps an incubator would help them form a DAO school where students and teachers have a vote on what is learned and how it's learned. Educators will connect with mentors, industry experts, engineers, and other community members to identify the biggest pain points in education and solve for them using Web3 technologies. Our goal is for educators, or the best educators, to stay in education and make education more enticing for new talent. We don't think every educator will want to start something of their own, so we'll match educators who want to support and build with educators who want to lead and ideate.
And our final phase is research. We want to make sure that our activities in phases 1 through 2 are scalable. So when the time comes, we want to identify what is and isn't working and how we can scale our efforts and also iterate based on new evolutions of Web3.
We're super excited for ASU GSV to consider Ed3 DAO. We're leaders in the Web3 education field, a portfolio company of Coinbase Giving, and partnered with several organizations like ASU GSV and Getting Smart to educate the world about Web3. Thank you.
Thanks.